explanation. Now I am going to explain today your one poem. It is of chapter first, Honeysuckle of class 6. After that chapter, Who Did Patrick's Home? One poem is given, A House, a Home. It is written by Lauren M. Holly. So, before starting this poem, I must tell you what about this poem is. It is actually telling the difference between a house and a home. So, in short, what is a house? I will read. What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard, some window glass and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tiles floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. Actually, house is made of bricks, stones and hardwood. It may has courtyard, floors, different types of floors, tiles floors, simple floors, marble floors, windows and doors. And what is a home? Home is made of loving and caring member of family like brother, sister, parents, grandparents because they shares everyone their love and sorrows. So this was the short summary of poem. Now I am going to explain you the poem. In one sentence, I may say that our home is a cradle of all virtues. Why? Because in homes we are developing such a good qualities to share, to care, to have feeling of love with each other. Now, what is a house? The first line is having a question. What is a house? The meaning is it's a brick and stone and wood that's hard. House is actually a building that is made of brick and stone and hardwood. Some windows glass and perhaps a yard. A house contains some window glasses and perhaps means may or may not be. It may have a yard also or it may not be. Yard means beta courtyard, angan. It may have yard and sometimes it also doesn't have. Its eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. Yes, here one difficult word is eaves. Eaves means actually overhang. Overhang in Hindi we say chhajja. In houses you have seen in front of your room, outside, front side, means some supporting places there, chhajja. So it is known as eaves and chimneys and tile floors. So what it contains except brick, stone and hardwood, it is also having eaves, chimneys, tiles floors, except it different other floors are there in the house and stucco. Stucco means a fine plaster to cover the wall. It is not only joining the bricks the house is prepared. After joining the bricks, the wall is ready, other places are ready. Over that, to make it strong, plaster, a coat of plaster is required. So it has stucco. Stucco means that fine plaster that covering the walls of the house. So stucco and roof is there and lots of doors are here. So this is the definition of house. That house is a place, house is a building that is made of brick, stone and wood, hardwood. It contains window glasses, courtyards, maybe or may not be, eaves, chimneys, tiles floors, over the walls plaster is there, roof is there and lots of door is are there. So it's a building. It's a building only that doesn't contain any family without any feeling. Now, home. What is a home? Another stanza also start with one question. What is a home? Its meaning. Actually, the home is a place. It's a loving and family and doing for others. Home is made of loving and caring member of family. They cares for others, they love to each other, and these members are brothers and sisters, fathers and mothers. When they all live together in one building that is made of bricks and stones, then it becomes a home. Then it is not a house, it becomes a home. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing. Unselfish beta without greed, where we didn't want in return, means it is not like that if I am giving you, so definitely you have to return it to me. Openly and freely they are working for each other. Unselfishly they are acting means doing work for each other. They are sharing things, they are sharing their love and sorrows with each other. They are showing their uh, and showing your loved ones you are always caring. And not only sharing and caring, accept it, the member of the family also show that yes, with their acts, not by their words, with their acts they are showing that they are also caring, they are loving to each other. So at last I may say that house is a building that is made of brick and stone, but it is without feeling. But home actually, when we means family members are loving each other, living on one place in a house and care and share the things, love each other, then it becomes a lovely home. So I hope you understood the meaning of this full poem. On the basis of this chapter, now I will send you book exercises. So solve it. Okay, bye students.